Mr. Ivy again. Thank you for coming back. Are you ready to read again? Awesome! So since you're ready, stay with this video so I can teach you. Let's go! Right, so our lesson for today is the letter Y. So this is the mommy letter Y and this is the baby letter Y. And the sound of letter Y is Y. One more time. Yi. So yeah, let's read a word that has letter Y. Okay? So kung ang sound ni letter Y is yi, tapos sasamahan natin ng sound ni letter A which is a, pag pinagsama yung dalawang sound na yan, ang magiging basa dyan ay yeah. One more time. Yeah. Okay? Alright, so kung dadagdagan naman ni Teacher Ivy ng letter G or sound ng G sa dulo, ano na ang basa dyan? Alright, so let me help you. Pagsama-samahin natin ang lahat ng sound. So let's start with this sound. I, A, G. Alright, so pag pinagsama yung tong dalawa, di ba sila ay ya. Tapos idagdag mo lang yung sound ni G sa dulo. So magiging G. Alright, so pag sama-samahin na natin lahat ng sound, that will be yag. One more time. Yag. Very good. Alright, how about this word? So madali lang yan. Basta pagsasama-samahin mo lang lahat ng sound. So ang sound netong dalawa, yeah. Tapos ano sound neto? And then sound neto, pagsama-samahin natin lahat ng sound. So, yan ay magiging yarn. One more time. Yarn. Diba ang dali? How about this word? Same lang din. Pagsasama-samahin natin lahat ng sound. Pero diba, etong letter C at letter K, isa lang ang sound nila. Alright, so pagsama-samahin natin lahat ng sound. So that will be yak. One more time. Yak. Very good. So since madali mong natutunan magbasa ng mga word na may letter Y in English, i-continue na natin ang pagbabasa ng mga letter Y or word na may letter Y in Tagalog. Okay? And before we proceed, let's review again. Kapag magkasama si letter Y at si letter A, anong basa dyan? Good job. Yes, that will be yeah. Perfect. Alright, so let's read a word that has Y in Tagalog. Okay? So, uulitin lang natin. Ano uli yung basa dito? Yeah. And then another one. Yeah. Good job. So that will be yeah. Yeah. Very good. Alright, so how about this word? Diba ito, pag pinagsama to, ang magiging sound nilang dalawa, cha. One more time, cha. So pagsamahin lang natin, ito ay very good. And then, yes, so that will be yeah, cha. One more time, yeah, cha. How about this word? Nasa hulihan yung ya. Same lang din, basta magsasound ka. Okay? So, ano nga uli sound neto? Perfect. And then? Good job. So, yeah, marunong ka nang bumasa. Yan ay ma, ya. One more time. Ma, ya. How about this one? Can you read it? Yes, good job. So that will be sa, ya. One more time. Sa, ya. And this one, ano nga uli ang sound neto? K. And pag may kasama neto, good job. Yeah, that will be ka. And then, ya. Perfect. So that will be ka, ya. And this word, ano nga uli basa dyan? Kaya mo na bang basahin mag-isa? Alright, so let me help you. So, ano uli ang sound neto? G. And then, pag may kasamang a, perfect, yes, that will be ga. And then, ya. Perfect, so that will be ga, ya. Good job! Congratulations! You already know how to read. I'm so proud of you. So, until next video, okay? Bye for now!